So First Degree Systems are a software house that provide specialist software needs to the fenestration industry. If you think of Window Designer as a box of Lego, the core part of Window Designer is that green plate that you start with, and then you delve into that box of Lego to grow and build the products that you need. Think of it as a food chain. Think of it that the best way that you can get that information from the end user, the customer, down through manufacturing and out to the end user again, is to create a seamless product. So we've got things such as Fengo that is designed to be at the sales team front end. Then we've got things such as Cloud Retailer that enables the reseller to process their windows and quote directly with the customer, and in turn send that down to the manufacturer. And then we've got tools for the manufacturer such as production planning, such as barcode systems that enable you then to flush that product through and back out to the customer and complete that cycle. So it's a life cycle product, a food chain in reality. It reduces risk first and foremost, because what you're doing is you're taking what is potentially a bespoke product. So every window and every door that is manufactured is bespokely made for that customer. But what that does is it enables that whole process to be speeded up. So you're taking what used to be a manual process that was drawing a product onto a sheet of paper, and then that sheet of paper was emailed into a processor that would be reprocessed onto another system to be then sent down again to the fabricator to be reprocessed again. At every stage you're creating a point of risk, a point of cost, a point of added extra problem. By having a seamless integrated product, it enables you to take it from the end user's perspective, electronically send it into the customer. The customer then processes it, does a survey on that gets then sent on down to the fabricator checks that and puts it into manufacture, and that can then be delivered. Not only does it speed up that, but it reduces the error cycle, so you don't get the costs attached to an error. If you make one error, you've got to make it twice, but you've then got to re-deliver it. You've got the credibility and all the other things that go with that loss. If you've got installers on site, generally if you get a bad order or a wrong order, they've got to pull off site, so you've got costs attached to that. So it's not just the physical cost of remaking something, it's the reputation impact that you're going to get by delivering something that was wrong. The great advantage here is the fact that it can start off with something quite small that suits a smaller business, or potentially be expanded upon to suit the needs of a larger business. If you're looking to buy, then you can start small and bolt on products according to that. Or what you could choose to do is drop onto a plan that enables you to have a per seat kind of license scenario that enables you as a smaller business just to buy into the various products, but on a seat by seat level. That way you can expand and choose to expand on that, or even reduce it should you need to. Key advantage is integration. You know, you can decide to take various products from other providers, but what we actually produce is one end-to-end solution. So if you buy into the Window Designer sort of product suite, you can safely say that I can deliver that to the customer, I can deliver that to the homeowner, I can deliver that to the fabricator, and they can then push through, and there's very little that we don't do. So you're filling in all the gaps with one single product, and you're able to actually utilize that to its maximum. It's that box of Lego analogy we're coming back to.